All right, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft, and today we're talking about the Partner Investment Engine portal, and we're going to be running through working on one of the Azure Everywhere submissions. So first things first, we go ahead and sign in here, and then you put in I'm a partner. What I'm going to do is actually put in I'm a Microsoft employee. And this is going to be your the portal that you're coming to. So there's two things to note here: apply for funding or check claims. When you go to check claims, they're actually going to be down here. So we're going to go ahead and apply for funding. All right, here, and when this comes up, you'll have three options. You want to click on the PI program funding. And then when this next screen comes up, this is going to tell you over here in the right-hand side what offers are available to you depending on competencies. So if you have the data platform competency, you can go ahead and get these Azure deployment offers here. So we're going to go ahead and click on FY19 Azure Everywhere. Very simple. And these are the details about the FY19 Azure Everywhere program. This is the payout, the amount of days of work, and this is dependent on the amount of consumption that's possible there. Secondly, you have over here the supporting resources. I would suggest that you go ahead and always click on the very top one. It's a PowerPoint that has all the terms and conditions. And then lastly, the MS invoice instructions so that you know exactly what you need to do to submit for the right funding. Then we'll go ahead and get started. All right. So in this thing, we're probably going to add a new customer because it's SMB related. So we'll go ahead and put in add new customer contact name, SMB test. Okay. The new name is, I'll put in here, Sherman Crancer. And I don't have a TPID. Don't worry about that. All right. So let's go ahead and do the phone number. Customer contact. Okay. Title. And then email address, we go test@test12.com. This is where we're gonna ask for the activity and click assessment. Funding date. Now this is really important. 15 days ahead of time. 15 days ahead of time. Make sure you give them 15 days ahead of time so they have a chance to actually approve it. And that's our internal folks. That's what you have to do. Who's your Microsoft contact? If you're not listed, if your PDM is not listed, you just push unknown. Investment amount, we're going to do $1.5 thousand for 1 day of work. Okay. Whoops. Azure solution, application portfolio, Azure priority solution. Let's just talk about business continuity. Technical use cases. We can use that one, Azure Site Recovery. And statement of work authorized signature. Okay, and then we're going to put in there, and this is going to be the person that's actually doing the signing the actual statement of work. Okay, after we put in the statement of work, authorized signer, we have the first question. It's going to ask you how much. Okay, next question, what licensing type? And you're going to talk CSP, so that's the only way we're going these days. Okay, next question is, when will the estimated Azure consumption begin? And we'll say the 7th. Perfect, complete. All right, now we've completed that. Next, description of services, Azure assessment for lift and shift. Okay, and then we put industry. Let's just say it's financial services, associated campaigns. Typically there's none there. And check if it's public sector. Um, and this is when the actual date that we're going to be submitting for. And I've certified, and then you go next. Oh, and customer address is necessary. So we made a problem. 1, 2, 3, ABC Way. And then you put San Jose, California, 92614. Good. Okay, next. Perfect. Now, in the next screen, you should see this Microsoft draft statement of work. So this is really good. Just go ahead and print this. up, and this is what you can actually use to give to your client. So I confirm the information is answer, okay, and then submit. All right, so after you hit submit, this is what happens. Request submission successful. All right, now you can download the statement of work draft to PDF, and this is what you need to get signed. All right, thanks so much for checking this out, and hope to see many submissions here in the future. Bye-bye.